Both CrewProtect and CrewProtect 20 come with 3 small indicator lights to let you know when it's time to replace the cartridge. For the CrewProtect 100, first, remove the cover by loosening the 4 thumb screws. Then, place the new cartridge with this side out, facing up and to the bottom left. Finally, replace the cartridge cover. The CrewProtect 20 has 2 tabs on each side. Simply press the tabs in to release the cartridge and replace it. The used cartridges can simply be thrown away. The systems automatically run whenever the apparatus is on, so you don't need to worry about turning the unit on or off, cleaning switches and buttons, or replacing faulty toggles. Whenever the apparatus is running, CrewProtect is protected. Each unit is made of steel and is powder coated inside and out for durability, so you can wipe down the exterior of the CrewProtect when you wipe down your cab. It's also recommended that you gently wipe the interior fan of the CrewProtect a couple times a year.